Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our video. This video is a instruction for our activity. This activity is under System Administration and Maintenance. So in my previous videos, I have introduced you a programming language intended for creating a website or web application. No? And also, I have introduced you a server that used to store and retrieve data, and that is the WAMP server. For our discussion, I will use a WAMP server. But if you have, there are a lot of servers, guys, that can store and retrieve data. If may nabalaan mo lain, you can use that one. As long as it is an application or a server that can be used is in storing and retrieving data. Okay? So instruction. My activity is very simple. And you are going to create this one. So my name is, you are going to put your name here. I am from section. What section are you? And at the bottom, we have to input. So another function is siya other than words lang, no? And other than text lang. So kani siya text rin siya tanan. And we have included input where you can type. Okay. So my activity is, my name is your name. I am from section, your section, and then username and password. So ibutang na to ato ang case ani no nga we are going to create a website that requires registration. So we can use this one no as a registration form nga unsa man nga username and password ang imong gamiton or login. We can use this one also as login. If sakto ang username and password, mo proceed siya into another page. But this time or my instruction is we are going to input username and password. So yung nani siya. For example, so have you noticed nga sa ubos na po siya nakabutang nga username and password? It's because for example, ang username nako is BSIT, okay? And my password would be CPSU. Okay? So username is BSIT, password is CPSU. So I'm going to submit this one. Okay, so pag submit na ko, as you can see, ning pop-up sa ubos ang ato ang input nga BSIT and CPSU. Okay, so ma-aware ta guys nga naay usa ka tawo nga ni-input sa tuang website og username nga BSIT and password nga CPSU. Or ma-aware ta nga naay murag ni sulay og register sa tuang website, ang ginagamit nila ang username is BSIT and password is CPSU. Okay? So dako po ni siya kay pulos. Magamit ni siya nimo in multiple ways. Every website or every application gagamit ani nga flow. Okay, dungagan na to ha. Dungagan na to. For example, third year, password is students. So pag submit na to, mo-pop up sa diri sa ubos nga username is third year and password is students. Okay, so my activities, you are going to follow this function. Ngayon ani siya sa isa ka page. Okay, if mapasulod ninyo, mapapop up ninyo ang username and password, I will give that points. And then another function, this one is optional, no? Ang pinaka-importante lang nga function is ato ang mapasulod ang data nga username and password, and then mugawa siya sa ubos. Mo na siya ako ang check jud. For additional points, if kaya ninyo, you are going to get this function, ang edit and delete. No, we are going to edit kung sa ato ang gi-type. Let's say for example, edit ta sa tong BSIT nga username and then password is CPSU, edit. IT ang username and then ang password is CPSU. Now, kung butangan na ko ni diri guys og BSIT third year. Okay. And then ang CPSU third year. So edit is supposed to be kanang i-change nimo ang data. So another function ni siya nato nga to ang i-edit. usbo na to ang data. So pag submit na to ani, okay, ang katong gi-type na to gay na nga BSIT only and then CPSU only for password na siya sumpayan na to ang mga third year. Okay? So I didn't say nga you must get this function, but I will add additional points for those students that have got this function. Okay? And another one is the delete function. Okay? So pag click na to delete guys, is if atuan ng delete, okay, mawala siya. Same with this one. Okay? Simple ra, no? I just want you guys to clone or pingunanion ra ninyo ang inyong activity. I think this will be passed on Tuesday. Why? Nga sa Tuesday. I want you guys to proceed yon. It's because maybe next week or next week mo start mo sa inyo nga capstone project, and most of you are proposing a web-based application nga web-based system, and this is a very big help sa inyo nga paghimo sa inyo nga thesis or capstone project. Okay? So that's it. I'm looking forward in seeing how you guys code kay murar po ni siya og kanang pag ma-check na ko nga most of you is kanang kabalo na, we are going to proceed into a further, no, hantod nga makabuo ta og system, and that is activity ta weekly. See you guys. Thank you.